Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Padre Island, Texas, where our driving journey begins as we cross the John F. Kennedy Memorial Causeway. This causeway connects the mainland to the beautiful Padre Island, offering stunning views of the water and the surrounding landscape. The causeway was named in honor of President John F. Kennedy, reflecting the area's deep respect for history and its leaders. As we drive onto the island, you'll notice the natural beauty of Padre Island, which is the longest barrier island in the world. This island is famous for its wide, sandy beaches and clear blue waters. Padre Island is a place where the Gulf of Mexico meets the land, creating a unique environment that is home to diverse wildlife and plant species. Our journey continues to the Padre Island National Seashore, a protected area that stretches over 70 miles along the coast. This national seashore is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. It offers a chance to explore untouched beaches, dunes, and grasslands. The area is also a nesting ground for sea turtles, and efforts are made to protect these endangered creatures and their habitats. Padre Island has a rich history, from its early days as a home to the indigenous Karankawa people to its role in the development of the Texas coast. Today, it is a popular destination for fishing, bird watching, and enjoying the great outdoors. The island's warm climate and beautiful scenery make it an ideal place for a day trip or a longer vacation. Whether you're here to relax on the beach or explore the natural wonders, Padre Island is a place that captures the heart and spirit of the Texas coast. Thanks for watching!